Yo, what up? My name is DJ ProPsycho, triple DJ world champion, Next Level Berlin. And today I'm gonna introduce you to the features of the iQ2 Plus USB mixer from Reloop. A very special feature are the integrated master effects with a very nice handling. You can quickly fade them in and out with a wet and dry fader. I'm gonna show you a few. For example, there's the echo effect, a flanger effect, or a transformer effect. With the tap BPM button, it's possible to tap the tempo, and with these bar buttons, it's possible to select the direct time adjustment for your effects. A big innovation are the new free crossfader effects, which can be cutted and manipulated by the crossfader. For me as a turntablist, this opens a whole new dimension for creating new sound experiments. And by the way, the crossfader is really smooth and tight to handle. You can adjust the curve just as you want, so it is possible to perform all techniques of scratching, such as fast flares or tight craps. I have put this mixer in the acid test and it didn't disappoint me. I highly recommend the Reloop iQ2 Plus USB. You know the deal, my name is DJ ProPsycho, I'm out. Peace.